Welcome to the day of a 30-year-old high-energy foreign trade manager. Good vibes, big smiles, and fresh ideas. This is how we start our mornings. A quick huddle, some laughs, and we're ready to take on the day together. A new days begin with checking WhatsApp, email, and WeChat. Make sure no message is missed, and every opportunity is right on time. My customer asked me to finish the construction quickly, so let's go to ask the engineer to see how is the progress. Okay, let's go. Discussing the best solutions with our engineers. Teamwork makes the dream work. I have spent 5 years in the steel structure industry, working with clients from the US, Canada, Southeast Asia, and South America. My focus, commercial buildings and modern factories. This is our 3D engineer. 3D pictures can help you to clear what the future building will be look like. Supervise the production process is the most important part of my daily work. So let us go to see the whole spectacle model is being created. With Tekla models, precision is everything. No surprises on site. In the afternoon, I usually go to the workshop to check on the production process. Okay, follow me. From design to delivery, I make sure every details is perfect, even if it means counting balls before loading goods. Shenyang is more than just my hometown, it is my source of strength and inspiration. I am proud to dedicate my passion to the steel structure industry here. With every project, I see both Shenyang and myself growing stronger, building a brighter tomorrow together.